Hey guys, this is Jake here with Troop 80 Owasso, and today we're going to be building a fire. Now, before we start building a fire, I want to talk about safety. We've got some water here, just in case anything goes poorly, and it's not windy out. And, it's okay. Alright, so we've gathered some fire building materials from the local area. We've got some tinder, some kindling, and some fuel wood. And we're going to use these all to build our fire today. We've also got some sticks, and those, I guess, count for kindling. Alright, so I've got this fuzz stick here, and it's really good for starting fires. If you don't know what it does, or if you don't know how to make it, first of all, you have to cut little slits into a piece of wood, such as this one, and what it'll do is it'll add more surface area for it to burn, so it burns really well. Along with this, we've got some lint covered in bacon grease to make the lighting of the fire a little easier, and this will last a little longer thanks to the bacon grease. Alright, so let's get started building this fire. So, to build it, we're gonna take our tinder and have it at the bottom, and then we're gonna take our kindling here, and we're gonna just sort of put it on top of that. And then after that, we're gonna take our fuel, and we're gonna sort of put it in a teepee fashion over all of that big pile of stuff. And I'm gonna point out some stuff along the way. Go and go. Yeah, okay. So we actually don't need a whole lot of this. I'm kind of over-prepared. Right here. So we're gonna make a little spot for our lint there. And then we're gonna start putting the stuff on top of everything. We want this to be easily accessible so we can start burning it really quickly. And this is where we're gonna try to avoid putting a whole lot sort of in this area in order to allow for some air from some area to get in, and so that we can access our lint a little easier. Or windy at all, this is a mess up. Don't let it mess up like that. Alright, so I've abandoned the teepee strategy, and we're gonna go with the log cabin strategy instead. And to do that, it's about exactly what it sounds like. You're gonna build a sort of log cabin structure instead of a teepee structure. Because the teepee structure fell over, because I guess I'm bad at building teepees. So now we're gonna build it higher and more angled in with the kindling, not the fuel. So like the teepee, it's still gonna sort of come to a point. It's just gonna be square. Cool. That looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay our fuel sort of on top of the cabin from all four sides. How are we gonna put this one in? That should be good enough to get it started. So let's go ahead and light it. Yeah. And we'll light it. So you can't quite see it down there, but the lint is about right there. Did I get it? No, it's not right there. It's over here. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. It's lit. And we're sort of try to get a little more kindling on it. Well, lighting. Try not to burn yourself while you're doing this. So in the outdoors, when you're making a campfire, a safe location would be somewhere that doesn't have tree branches sort of coming down over the fire site, and you wouldn't want it to be close to where you're tenting. The reason we don't have it below trees with branches that are coming down over it is so you don't catch the tree on fire, and we don't have it close to tent sites because or not tent sites. You don't have it close to where you're tenting because if there's bears nearby, they'll go around the fire pit, and you don't want to be camping where bears are coming by. So as you can see, it's burning pretty good. And at this point on a standard camp out, you might start throwing some bigger pieces of fuel in because it'll burn for a while. That was a miss. Well, I hope you guys learned how to build a campfire in an urban setting or a not urban setting. And y'all should leave a like down below if this helped you. Comment if you want to see future content similar to this, or if you want to suggest other kinds of content. See y'all next time.